Hello guys, in this video I will try just to mention that we don't use chat rooms to get good stocks. Okay, why is that? Trading chat rooms are created by professional traders who are scammers. It means those people are scammers. Although they are professional, they know a lot about trading, but they can't make it with trading by themselves, so they need to set up a scam where they can buy a stock and they ask others to buy after he has bought. Okay, most of the time it's penny stocks. Most of the time, okay, they supply false information about the companies or about companies and try to influence the chatters to buy that specific stock. Most of the time is penny stock, which means under $5. Okay, because these stocks with low volume can be manipulated very easily. Okay, let's say the guy has bought 10,000 shares of, let's say, 50 cent share. Okay, so he spent $5,000. Now, if he asks people to buy the stock after he has bought at 50 cents, let's say the volume, just to give you an example, volume was 10,000. It means this stock, no one goes to it. Okay, it's very, very small volume. So, and then the next day, when beginners buy, he can make a lot of money because he will be selling. Okay, because he will be selling, let's say, at $2 or $3. Okay, so this is just an example of what the scammers are doing in chat rooms. Okay, and even if someone like a beginner, he can make money. For example, he buy at 9:30 and after a few minutes he sell with $10 profit or $20. So he doesn't know what's going on. So only these professional traders who know what's going on to this stock. Okay, so to be safe, avoid these chat rooms because they give you false information. Besides, you can't rely on a stranger to show you what stocks to buy or sell. Thank you very much.